Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to review the differences between terms, coefficients, constants, and like terms. When looking at your equation, please remember each of the pieces is considered to be a term. And within those terms, you'll either have constants or coefficients. So in this example, 9x, 7, and 4x are all considered to be terms. Let's underline this in blue so we can keep it all organized. Now, when looking into each of those individual terms, you might be able to find coefficients. Please remember that the coefficients are the numbers that come before the variables or the letters. So in this example, 9 and 4 are both considered to be coefficients. Now, constants, as we discussed in class, are the numbers that stand all alone or by themselves and have no variable with them. So in this example, 7 would be considered your constant. Now, do we have any terms that have something in common above? If you said yes, you would be correct, because if we look, 9x and 4x both have the x in common, which means they are considered like terms. So over here, I would write 9x and 4x. Remember, at this time, we are not combining them. We're just identifying if the terms have anything in common. All right, so now we have one more example. Let me slide my shade over. And I want you guys to help me as we go along. So, how many terms do we have in this example? Let's underline in blue again to keep everything similar. If you said 3, you would be correct. We have 3 terms in this example. They are 7c, 3, and 8d. Now, within this example, do we have any coefficients? Let's use red again to keep everything similar. If you said yes, you would also be correct. Our coefficients, remember, come before the variable or the letter. And here we have our coefficients would be 7 and 8. Now, our constants, let's get the green, are the numbers without any variables attached. They stand all by themselves. Excuse me. So now the constant in this example would be 3. Now keep looking at like terms. Do we have any terms here that share something in common? Let's go through each of them. We have 7c, 3, and 8d. So unfortunately, none of these terms have anything in common. And if that happens, all you would need to do is write none. So boys and girls, please remember that if you have any other questions about this process, you need to come see me during period 5 or ask me for help during class. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.